Hello everyone, it is Teacher Yan here, and today I am going to teach you guys how to teach kids to use pictures to describe themselves. So what I have here is a happy face, sad face, and also angry face. So by using these pictures, they can use their hands to show you how they are feeling. You can ask them at random times, how are you feeling today? Or how are you feeling at the moment? You can guide their hand. If you see that they are happy, you can guide their hand to the happy face, showing that they are happy. Or if they are sad, you can guide their hand to the sad face, sad. And lastly, angry. So these are the main three emotions that we constantly feelings. So this is one of the most helpful ways to help your kids to engage with the question and to communicate with others in the future. Best of luck! Now let's take a look why we are doing this task. First, they can help to reinforce the vocabulary, literacy, reading comprehension, and language skills when combined with speaking activities. And next, most effective self-regulation activities for kids help them to categorize and name different emotions, which is a key step in managing their feelings. And lastly, a picture description is an either way of practicing your English vocabulary in all sorts of fields. Pictures provide serious language practice and can be invaluable in the classroom for stimulating discussion and bring enormous variety to a lesson.